Now we discuss the Kinetik HC16V BLU 1600 watt battery. Key specifications. Brand: Universal Power Group. Voltage: 16 volts. Wattage: 12 watts. Item weight: 49 pounds. Key features: the absorbed glass mat technology. Efficient charging and discharging. Has greater power than the lead-acid battery. High temperature endurance. The Kinetik HC16V is the most versatile product because it offers you a dual-post design to run the battery for the 12V or 16V appliances and accessories. Thus, you can say that the product has all characteristics to enhance the performance of your appliances. The advanced AGM technology makes the product perfect and safe for everyday usage. Also, the 1-year warranty ensures that whenever you experience any issue, you can contact customer care and resolve the problem for free. Pros: dual post design, AGM technology, no spillage, temperature endurance, vibration resistance. Cons: the battery only has 1-year warranty. Our recommendation: for those who are looking for a product that can offer a dual mode of 12-volt and 16-volt functioning, then this battery is perfect for them.